Good morning. It's Wednesday, March 26, 2025, and this is your 2 minutes in the law and politics. Have you ever heard of the word birthright citizenship? What does it mean? The gist of it means that if someone is born in the United States, that person is a United States citizen as a matter of right. How do we know that? The United States Constitution, Amendment 14, Section 1 says, all persons born or naturalized in the United States and subject to the jurisdiction thereof are citizens of the United States and of the state wherein they reside. It is crystal clear. All persons born are citizens of the United States. So if it is so crystal clear, why are we talking about it? The reason why is because on January 20th of 2025, one of President Donald Trump's first acts as president of the United States was to invalidate or try to invalidate the United States Constitution. He issued an executive order that said, protecting the meaning and value of American citizenship. The gist of his executive order was that if a child is born in the United States and the mother is not a United States citizen or was only here temporarily, and the father is not a United States citizen, then that child is not a United States citizen. Wait a minute. A president cannot executive order away the Constitution of the United States. Congress can't do that, and the president can't do that. The ultimate law of the land is the Constitution, and anything that the president does or Congress does has to comport with the Bill of Rights and with the entire Constitution that we Americans are entitled to have. So not surprisingly, the courts that have looked at this issue have said that the executive order is invalidated, that people born in the United States are American citizens. Those three courts are from Massachusetts, Washington, and Maryland. And I'm convinced that when the United States Supreme Court actually rules on this issue, it will say exactly what those courts have said. There is one little thing that you may hear about that may make this issue a little bit confusing, and so I want to talk about it very quickly. On a much broader scale, not just involving birthright citizenship, but all types of cases, there is a question as to whether a federal court in a particular jurisdiction can issue a ruling that requires all of the United States to comply with its decision during the pendency of an appeal. And I think there's pros and cons to that issue, and maybe there should be some limitation of a judge's power to institute that one single judge's view on the entire United States while an appeal is pending. I think there's pros and cons to that, and I might create some kind of limitations in some cases, I don't know. But the bottom line is that when you hear this issue of birthright citizenship being tossed about, try to separate whether they're talking about that procedural question versus the substance of birthright citizenship. Because on the substance, the Constitution is abundantly clear. People born here are citizens, period. I hope you have a good day.